Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm gonna explain what day trading is, how it works, what you actually trade, and, most importantly, the real truth about how risky it is. If you've ever seen those videos of traders making money from home, staring at charts, clicking buttons, yeah, that's day trading. But there's a lot more to it than just that. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. What is day trading? Day trading is when you buy and sell financial assets within the same day. You open a trade, and before the market closes, you close that trade, whether it's a win or a loss. It's the opposite of long-term investing. Day traders are not thinking about months or years. They care about minutes, sometimes even seconds. The goal? Capture small price movements during the day, whether the price goes up or down, and turn that into profit. Real example, buying. Let's say you're watching Apple stock, ticker symbol Apple. It's 9:30 a.m., the market opens. Apple is priced at $180. You think it's gonna go up, so you buy 100 shares at $180. An hour later, Apple climbs to $181. You sell. You just made $1 per share. That's $100 in profit. Now, if Apple dropped to $179, you'd either accept the $100 loss or hope it recovers. But you've got to close that trade by 4 p.m. because that's the rule of day trading. No positions overnight. Real example, selling short. And yeah, you can also make money when stocks fall. That's called short selling. Let's say Tesla is sitting at $250 and you think it's going to drop. You sell short 50 shares at $250. Tesla drops to $245. You buy it back. Boom! You just made $5 per share, $250 profit, betting on the price going down. What can you trade? In the U.S., day traders trade a lot of different stuff. Stocks like Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon. Futures, S&P 500, E-mini ES, NASDAQ, E-mini NQ. Crude oil, CL, gold, GC. Forex, currencies like euro to US dollar, pound sterling to US dollar. Crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, 24/7 markets. Why people love day trading? It sounds cool, right? You can make money if the market goes up or down. No waiting, no long-term risk. People love the idea of freedom, working from anywhere, quick profits, no boss, just you and the markets. But here's where reality kicks in. The hard truth, 90% of day traders lose money. That's not an exaggeration. That's real data, even from the SEC. But without a strategy, it turns into gambling really fast. Why people fail? No strategy. They just guess. No risk management. They bet too big. Emotional trading. Fear, greed, revenge trades. Overtrading. Chasing losses. How day traders actually operate. Successful day traders rely on technical analysis, reading charts, scalping, in and out in seconds or minutes. Momentum trading. Following news and strong price moves. Reversal trading, betting when prices move too far, too fast. They use tools like TradingView, Thinkorswim, NinjaTrader, Webull, indicators like VWAP, RSI, moving averages, data like Level 2, time and sales, order flow. Cost of day trading. It's not free to day trade, commissions and fees. Even if stocks are commission-free, futures, forex, and data cost money. Taxes. In the U.S., short-term trades are taxed at your regular income rate, up to 37%. Pattern day trader rule. If you have under $25,000 in your margin account, you're limited to 3-day trades per 5 business days. This rule applies to stocks. It doesn't apply to futures or crypto. Can you really make a living? The answer is yes, but it's incredibly hard. You need a proven strategy, years of practice, strong emotional discipline, and enough capital, usually $30,000, $50,000, or even $100,000 to trade safely. It's not a get-rich-quick game. It's a skill-based profession, like being a pilot, surgeon, or pro athlete. Who is this for? Anyone who wants to try their hand at it. But I'll be straight with you, it's extremely challenging. Just like any other skill, though, the more you learn, the better you get. So if you want to go for it, do it smart. Learn as much as possible. Backtest your strategy. Trade small. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Don't chase losses. Follow your rules. Be patient. Be consistent. Stay disciplined. Start with paper trading. Simulate trades with fake money. Build confidence. Test your strategy. Learn from virtual wins and losses before risking real capital. My experience, I started with Forex and crypto. I lost thousands. Then I focused on indices and stocks. Took me years of consistent work to become profitable. I still trade every day. I still learn new things. Day trading is not a side hustle. It's a full-time commitment. At least it is for me. I don't have a boss, but I do have the market. And yeah, it's stressful. You learn to separate your emotions from the trade. You have to be objective. Look at the charts. Follow your strategy. Take the good with the bad. Every successful trader has losers. You can't be afraid of them. You just gotta ride it out. Final words. Day trading looks glamorous on social media, but the reality is, it's a high-risk, high-stress, and highly demanding job. It can give you freedom, or it can destroy your account if you're not prepared. So, if you're thinking about it, learn first. Trade small. Focus on risk. And remember, day trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-good-slowly profession. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you learned something new, drop a like, comment your questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and trade safe.